So, hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. So, today I'm going to provide 7 very important questions for RBI Grade B 2019's pre-exam. So, very important. Let's start with the question number 1. Somebody is calling me, but I'm not going to pick the call. So, let's move on to the question number 1, right? चलो पहले क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. As per the Moody's Investor Service, very important topic, the forecasted GDP growth rate of India in financial year 2020. So recently it has been slashed. It was 6.2, but right now it is 5.8. This whole table is very important. I have just updated this table in the morning. You can go to bankexamstoday.com. This is I think third or fourth table. I'll provide the link in the description as well, so please go through that. This is the latest one. I have just updated this table in the morning and I request all of you to go through it. The Moody's Investor Service, the GDP estimation for 2019-2020 is 5.8. As per RBI, it is 6.1. Economic Survey 7%. Goldman Sachs, it's 7.2. OECD 5.9. FICCI 7.1. IMF 7%. UN ESP 7.1, Indian Rating and Research 6.7, World Bank 7.5. There are 7-8 items, 7-8 more organizations data, which is available on Bank Exams Today. This is really important. Last year I have seen this question in that RBI paper, and most of the times there is one question from one of these numbers. There is a question. बहुत important, very important. Moody's is very important. IMF's 7% is really important, right? So these numbers are really important. So as of now, this is the latest one, 5.8. Please remember this, okay? 5.8 by Moody's and 6.1 by RBI. Really important. So latest data. When World Post Day is observed, पिछले वाला table please remember, very important. World Post Day is observed on 9th of October. Not that difficult to understand. So the Youth Collab was recently launched by which organization? The Youth Collab was recently launched by Niti Aayog and UNDP, United Nations Development Program India, and the goal was to accelerate the social entrepreneurship and innovation in young India, among the young people, right, and promote the youth leadership. So it'll give a chance to the young entrepreneurs and innovators to connect with government, investors, mentors, incubators. And the first phase of Youth Collab will focus on 6 SDGs. SDGs are also very important topic. SDG 5, gender equality, clean water sanitation, SDG 6, affordable and clean energy, SDG 7, decent work and environment, economic growth, SDG 8, SDG 12 is sustainable consumption and production, SDG 13 is climate action. So maybe tomorrow I'll make a proper list of SDGs and I'll be sharing that on bankexamstoday.com. And I recommend all of you to follow me on Telegram, right? So go to Telegram and search for Bank Exams Today. You'll find my channel where I'm sharing all the important data, all the important, whatever I'm telling you right now, I'll be sharing everything on Telegram, right? So not that difficult. Question number 4. Ministry of Health and Family has recently launched which scheme to provide free healthcare benefit to the pregnant women, mothers up to 6 months after delivery, and sick newborns. So what is the name of that scheme? The scheme's name is Suman. I think yes, it is Suman. So iron, folic acid supplementation, tetanus, 6 home visits, at least 4 antenatal checkups, at least 1 checkup under Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan. Other components of the comprehensive ANC package is provided, right? So these are the services that are going to be provided under the Suman scheme. So name of the scheme is the Suman scheme. Suman. Okay. Question number 5. Question. Which state government has recently launched the free drug scheme for the tea garden workers? Obviously, I mean, that's quite obvious because the tea gardens are there in the Assam only. So the correct answer is Assam. So free drug scheme will provide medicines including 142 essential drugs, 47 surgical items, 45 consumable linens and 6 number of disinfectant free of cost to 651 tea garden hospitals, right? So that's the point. It's in the Assam. So very important question, who won the Nobel Peace Prize for 2019? Every year the Peace Prize is sort of important. I request all of you. Again, I'm writing it down. The first one is the SDG, and the second list is a Nobel Peace Prize. This is really important topic. AB Ahmed, he won the Nobel Peace Prize. The reason, because he's the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, and there has been a war between the government of Ethiopia and Eritrea. So he brokered a deal between, I mean, he just helped that Ethiopia to get out of the war. So that's why he got the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay. And very important question, the last question, what is the effective corporate tax rate in India for the companies which are not seeking any incentive from the government? Very important point, what is effective corporate tax? Effective corporate tax and the corporate tax rate is different, because the corporate tax, new corporate tax rate is 22%, which used to be 30%, and after surcharge and cess it is 25.17%. And the companies who are getting some sort of incentive or the exemptions from the government, the rate is still unchanged for 30% for those companies, right? And for the new manufacturing companies who have already been incorporated before October 2019 and must start their production before March 23, the tax rate is 15%, and it used to be 25%. That it's a huge slash. The tax has been slashed in a huge manner, actually. So and the minimum alternative tax has been reduced to 15% from 18.5% in case of that corporates who are seeking incentive and the exemption. So very important question. Somebody called me and asked this question, so I thought why not to share with you. So बहुत important question है. So students, we are providing a 30 days pass for the RBI grade B phase 1 course. Please use the coupon code 30 days, and the cost price of that whole course will be just 1,999. That will include the video classes for all the sections, notes, worksheets, quizzes, RBI grade B GK digest, and the test series. That's the full length test series. So everything would be the part of the course, and everything is available on Bank Exams Today's mobile app. That is for the phase 1 course. Use the 30 days coupon, and you can call me anytime. You can WhatsApp me anytime. I hope you already have my number, 906720100. That's my WhatsApp number. Anyway, thank you and have a very nice day. If there is any doubt in your mind, you can always ask your doubts on the comment section. So thank you and have a very nice day. Bye.